In this lecture, we will discuss the knee pathology, that is total knee replacement. It's also known as TKR. A total knee replacement is a surgical procedure in which the diseased knee joint is replaced with the artificial material. TKR has rehabilitation phases that are three. There are three rehabilitation phases of total knee replacement. In the phase 1, it's up to surgery to about 2 weeks after surgery. In the phase 1, there are many goals the patient have to achieve. First is the safe transfers and ambulation with assistive devices, progressing distance towards 1/2 mile, heel striking and use of available knee flexion during the gait or the walking pattern. First is the safe transfer is the goal of the patient. Next we have restore range of motion, increasing each visit toward 120 degree of flexion and 0 degree extension. Each patient must be encouraged to get back more range of motion than he or she previously had. There are three goals. First is to safe transfers, and second is to restore the range of motion, and to improving the available range of motion is the goal of the patient in the acute phase. Active extension without lag. Precaution in this phase are pain should not persist after rehabilitation visit for more than 24 hours and should be within patient tolerance. Precaution is the pain should not elevate within 24 hours after the session. Intervention we do in the acute phase is the icing. Electrical stimulation is by with the help of TENS. Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation for the pain. Quadriceps sets, straight leg raise, hamstring sets, supine heel slides, extension or bolster. These are the strengthening exercises. Sit to stand squat with weight bearing as tolerated. Supine leg press from 0 degree of extension to current flexion range of the patient with versus minimal weight 20 to 40 pounds and stationary bike with no resistance if available to get on and off. There are few precautions. First is to pain should not persist. Intervention we do in the acute phase is icing, electrical stimulation of the area, quadriceps sets, straight leg raise, hamstring stretch to stretch the knee flexors and extensors, standing quads, and also do range of motion exercises. In the phase second of TKR rehabilitation, it's of 3 to 6 weeks. The goal in this phase is to improve the range of motion from 0 degree extension to 125 degree of flexion, quadriceps strength without lag in the SLR, functional amputation, normalization of the gait pattern, stairs with reciprocal gait, use of affected knee with equal weight bearing with sit to stand transfer, use of the affected limb as almost normal limb, begin walking short distances without the use of any assistive device. This need to be with a useful non-antalgic gait pattern. Patient gait pattern should improve, range of motion should improve, and with have a normal weight bearing with equal weight bearing. Precautions that are the range of motion to be achieved with minimal force provided by physiotherapist. Running in this phase is not recommended yet. TKR patient have a 25% higher fall rate within the first year of post-operative management. 25% chance of falling is increased. Hence, some structure, balance, or proprioception movement are reasonable. In the phase second, we have a goal of range of motion improvement, gait normality, equal weight bearing as the unaffected limb, and improving the gait pattern. It's not become antalgic, and precaution is running is not recommended. Range of motion achieved by the physiotherapist, and we have precaution that the patient falling risk is increased in the first year of post-operative. Intervention we do are the knee range of motion as possible, quadriceps sets, SLR, supine or standing, leg press, sits to stand squat, single leg balance, gastrocnemius strengthening, and lunges through the partial range, standing total knee extension with the help of TheraBand. Hip and core strengthening is also important. Stand to floor transfer training, neuromuscular re-education, equal weight bearing as the unaffected side during the function, balance and proprioception. Stationary bicycle in partial or full revolution if incision look okay. If the patient condition improve, stationary bicycling he can do. These are the exercises, precautions and intervention that we do in the phase second. And in the last phase of TKR rehabilitation, it's of 6 to 12 weeks. The goals in this phase are improving the range of motion up to full knee flexion to the full knee extension, no extensor leg, normal gait without assistive devices, stairs with reciprocal gait for 1 to 2 flights up and down with or without rails, independent transfer of the patient. He should be functional independent function per training to the personal goals. Patient should have normal life pattern. Precaution in this phase is lifting more than 50 pounds of weight, that's equal to 23 kilogram, should be discouraged during functional activities most of the time. If 50 pounds patient can lift, he should not be advised to lift that weight. It is precaution. 30 to 50 IB is reasonable on occasion, but the patient need to know that repetitive heavy lifting is dangerous. Emphasis need to be on continuing fitness activity so that patient do not gain weight after TKR. Weight gaining is also a not a good thing, it's a bad thing. Intervention, because weight bearing the load on the joint also increase, so it's not encouraged. Intervention we do is therapeutic exercises versus weight bearing in functional dynamic movement, lateral and multidirectional movements during strengthening as well. Continue lower extremity strengthening, hips, quadriceps and the hip strengthening also encourage. Continue emphasis on use of affected side during functions such as rising from sitting, move from stand to sit, stationary bike for range of motion, and fitness with some resistance after the 6 months. Depend upon the patient condition, we can use resistance, walking without the devices after these 6 weeks. These are the intervention after the 6 weeks. The patient, if patient condition is improved. Phases of TKR are I told you before. Answer this in the comment. Thank you.